solution. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, Systemeio has something to offer. It combines email marketing, sales funnels, and even membership site capabilities into one easy-to-use platform. This all-in-one platform is a game changer for beginners and experts alike. Imagine having all your marketing tools in one place, seamlessly integrated to work together. No more juggling multiple platforms and trying to make them communicate with each other. Systemeio simplifies the process, allowing you to focus on what really matters, growing your affiliate marketing business. Pricing starts at $27 per month for the startup plan, which includes up to 5,000 email subscribers and 3 sales funnels. With its seamless integration and top-notch SEO tools, you'll be climbing the search rankings in no time. SEO is crucial for affiliate marketing because it drives organic traffic to your site. The more visitors you have, the higher your chances of making sales. Systemeio's SEO tools are designed to help you optimize your site for search engines, making it easier for potential customers to find you.